Hi guys, this is Zoe from CJdropshipping. Have you ever wondered what those top dropshipping stores are selling and you're struggling with finding popular products every once in a while? Luckily, you don't have to scratch your head anymore because in today's video, we will lead you step by step to spy on those top dropshipping stores and see what they sell. So make sure you pay close attention to this video and I believe you will learn a lot from it. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, and if you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to our channel to show your support, and we will update more valuable content regularly. Also, light up the bell so you won't miss out on any latest product recommendations and dropshipping tricks. Now, let's dive into it. To save your time, we have already found 2 dropshipping stores as an example to see what they're selling. And don't worry, we will cover how to find those top dropshipping stores later in the video. Let's take a look at the first store. This is obviously a general store since it's selling all kinds of products. Let's scroll down to the trending section to see what are some hot selling products and niches in this store. As you can see, many products belong to the fitness niche and outdoor activity niche, like this yoga mat and this running sports arm foam bag. And as the weather gets warmer lately, more people go out for family trips and outdoor exercises. I believe you are seeing more people start jogging in your neighborhood, so products like sports arm foam bag can be popular right now. This tendency was at the same last year around this time in Q2, and some products even become the winning products for many dropshippers. And as a one-stop dropshipping platform, CJdropshipping is also providing similar products. There are already 3 different kinds of running arm foam bags on CJ, and all of them are waterproof with many different colors for your customer to pick. If you're not satisfied with what CJ already has or want to exactly same products in the store, you can always submit a sourcing request to CJ and our sourcing team will get back to you in around 2 days. We have posted a sourcing tutorial down in the description, and you could check it out there. Now let's browse the store a little bit more. There are many car accessory niche products in the store as well. For example, the table holder for cars, this Bluetooth car kit, the car foam holder, and this car back seat organizer belong to this niche. As we said earlier, winter has passed, and good weather is coming. Road trips and family trips are great activity to do on weekends. So car usage grows. That's why this store is selling so many car accessories. And there is another thing that worth notice. One characteristic of these top dropshipping stores is that they adapt to many changes in the environment really fast to take up the market in advance. And this is really important for all dropshippers to learn. And back to the car accessories, CJ has all kinds of car accessories on the platform. Not to speak of other accessories, there are already more than 20 different kinds of car foam holder for you to list. And one of the phone holders I would recommend in this one, it has 2 colors, both black and white, and this design makes sure your phone is stabilized and won't move around. It will not impact the cooling of your phone, either since it is hollowed on the back. The product's price is surprisingly low, only 70 cents per item, and the total dropshipping price is $5.97. Pretty reasonable. You can sell these products at $15 to $20 easily. See the profit in the between. Let's now go to another store and check what's in there. And before that, I want to see if this store is selling some similar niche products as well. If both stores are selling them, then the products are more likely to be trending products. That's another useful check to find winning products for you guys. And here we go, this trampoline water sparkler and the beach mat blanket all fit into the outdoor activity niche. So the warm weather is bringing more people out of their home indeed. And many products in this niche should be selling well. Okay, we can see this store is selling many kitchen gadgets, like this heating-resistant Sinocom glove, stainless steel chef blanket, and the stainless steel spout set. Compared with outdoor activity niche, and the kitchen garden niche is more like an evergreen niche that dropshippers can sell anytime during the year. For instance, this magic 3-in-1 Sinocom sponge clean brush is pretty popular lately on CJ. Orders are placed every day, and most dropshippers are selling in packs to reduce the average shipping cost, and CJ has already packed them together for you. Another hot-selling product is this mini pancake egg maker. It has 3 different shapes: star, flower, and beer, and it has non-stick design for easier cooking. And the dropshipping price of this mini pan is attractive. Only 75 cents per item and $5.57 as a total dropshipping price. Here is huge profit margin for it. Spying on those successful and popular dropshipping stores and watch what they are selling at the moment is the most straightforward to look for potential trending products. And not only for that, but you can also learn a lot of other useful information from those stores, such as arranging their products and designing their stores to make them more appealing. And now we will bring you the secrets of how to find the top dropshipping stores. In fact, I just used some amazing online tools to find the stores. And the first one is called Niche Scraper. It allows you to monitor the best-selling products in different stores. You can choose to see what products are hot-selling in AliExpress or Shopify store. Demi have introduced this tool in previous video, and you guys can check it out here. Now, let us introduce you the second tool. This tool is called Shopee Stores, and it's completely free. This is homepage of Shopee stores. It shows you a list of best Shopify stores, including non-dropshipping stores, and they are ranked from high to low. So make sure you click the dropshipping at the top menu bar to filter out other non-dropshipping stores. Do you remember the #1 store? Yes, this is the first store we just discovered earlier. Here are 2 ways to visit the stores on Shopee stores. You can click on the store address and it will take you to the home page of the store. And the other way is to click on Click Here. This will take you to the store best-selling products page directly. If you're not really familiar with the dropshipping or the dropshipping market, spying on those top stores and copy the trending products they are currently selling are the easiest way to find the potential winning products. And you don't have to list everything they have in your store. Just choose the products that fit your store's niche. For example, if you're selling pet supplies, then only list the pet-related products would be enough. And just let you guys know, all the products mentioned before are proven to be trending products, and there are bigger chance to gain some great money from it if you start selling right now. Here are a lot of benefits to monitoring what the top dropshipping stores are selling. By doing this, you can save a lot of time on researching, and it's as easy as copy and paste work, so don't waste any time and start doing it now. And that's all for today's video. Audiences in front of screen, since you have watched this video from the beginning to the end, why not hit the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Comment below to let us know if you have any questions, and we are always happy to answer them for you. Share these great dropshipping tricks on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends or co-workers. Thank you for watching it. See y'all next time. Bye!